You know that person, yeah.
This is me natural. Because somebody authentic in front. I don't know. I send 100 picture. This is all me. All me. Natural. Natural beauty. Right here. Right here. Then there, I Photoshop the makeup Quincy. Photoshop the makeup on a show. This is me all. You understand, Quincy?
Yeah.
Yeah, my black Quincy.
Yeah.
This is me all natural here. This is me
Come on,
all natural.
don't let him go. Come Bestie, don't let him go. Don't eat him up.
A true man.
You can't see somebody authentic, original. This is original. This is original. This is original. Me.
Yeah.
The original.
Are you this
This is original. This is original. Quincy, stop. We are called Quincy. Stop. Let them say the inbox. You try to see me yourself.
All right.
All right,
Quincy. All right, Mama. All right. It's okay.
When I try to distract the argument, stop entertaining Quincy.
That's true.
Bring down the blood clot. I don't like
the right thing
after go down.
Me not jump out of my blood clot, but I show you me natural. You just see a natural this.
Right. True. A true man. And you look good. Me not tell no lie.
To them see yourself, I look good. Them I go for picture with them altar and them filth. I care zero because I can walk and hang up and walk and spin and walk and spin and come back. Natural.
Somebody say circle Quincy, Lord God, you don't run me do.
Yeah, because you know we are entertained. Like you see me in front of you, see me in front of you, Quincy. But you need to listen to watch that.
I thought she out the other post.
You don't write yourself, Quincy. You want to see fake or you want to see authentic? In Quincy?
Me want to see authentic. Yeah, me I look puss because I want to take me to England. How?
Tell me much time you come to England, Quincy.
3 times you come to England.
Okay. Don't entertain them.
And the next time me I left America, come to England and write a pussy, me I go stay. Yeah. Me and pussy live down the one bed and do live. Is what happened.